I'm Bob Woodruff.
And I'm Elizabeth Vargas. Tonight, the Supreme Court upholds Oregon's doctor-assisted suicide law.
The High Court says it's up to the state, and more states could follow. Spy suits. Two major civil rights groups sued to shut down the Bush administration's secret eavesdropping program.
The administration's legal battle over its secret domestic spying program. The ACLU and the Center for Constitutional Rights filed lawsuits today to stop the National Security Agency from spying on people without warrants. President Bush says the program has uncovered potential terrorists, but the lawsuits claim it's doing more harm than good. ABC's Pierre Thomas reports now from the Justice Department.
Attorneys for detainees held at Guantanamo Bay believe their telephone conversations and emails with clients have been illegally tapped by the secret NSA spy program.
I'm really outraged having to go back and think about the fact that conversations you had with your clients that you thought were absolutely confidential, that were privileged, that those were probably, are now the property of the U.S. government.
In today's lawsuits, those attorneys, along with authors, scholars, and Muslim support groups, claim unauthorized government eavesdropping will limit their ability to do their jobs.
If you feel as though you're being wiretapped or placed under surveillance, it would obviously place a chilling effect on your First Amendment right to free speech.
Investigative journalist James Bamford is concerned his sources on international terrorism may now be unwilling to talk.
They will be very inhibited from communicating with me from now on, knowing that I may be subject to NSA eavesdropping. That greatly affects the way I write, the quality of my writing, the course of my employment, and so forth.
But will these lawsuits hold up in court? Some legal scholars believe that potential victims will have to prove they were spied on, something the government is not likely to confirm.
It's really questionable whether the courts are going to allow a major lawsuit to go forward based on vague and speculative allegations like that.
Even those filing the lawsuits admit they have no hard evidence they were spied on and want the government to provide the proof.
We want confirmation that we were wiretapped, or else confirmation that we weren't.
Today, the Bush administration called these lawsuits baseless.
I think that the frivolous lawsuits do nothing to help enhance civil liberties or protect the American people.
Even if these lawsuits fail, expect critics of the NSA spy program to try other tactics to hold the government accountable. Elizabeth?
All right, Pierre Thomas at the Justice Department.